Hi! In front of me is REALME GT NEO 3D, and today I would like to show you how you can use pop-up view on this device. First of all, open one of your apps that you wish to use in this view. Then click on this button with three lines to access background apps. Now tap on those two dots at the top right corner of your chosen one and select Floating Window. Then click on this tiny one, and as you can see, now I can use my app in this little window. In order to move it around, hold this line and drag it. You can make it smaller by tapping on Home button. In order to use it, overlay the other app, just tap on the other one and operate in both. If you wish to close this app, you can swipe it in the background or just click on this X icon at the top right corner of it. If you don't want to close your app, just use it in full screen view. Tap on the top left corner instead. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!